What's going on, guys? Patrick here from PatrickLongleyRealty.com, and today we are spotlighting these very unique properties that have just dropped out here in Ho'opili, known as Ahakea, and they're also utilizing the name GenHomes. Now, what are these? These are essentially single-family homes at a townhome price. This is gonna blow your mind. Let's check it out. Now, when it comes to owning a single family home, what is really the difference between a single family home and a townhome? Well, generally you're gonna have a yard, maybe some sort of assigned parking like we have here. You actually don't have a carport or a garage, but you do have an assigned parking spot. And we will check out around the corner, you do have a bit of a yard, as well as no shared walls, which is usually a big part of single family homes. Now we see some that do have shared, but this one does not, which is very unique for being able to buy a single family home for just at about $700,000. The single family home has 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, with 880 living square footage. Now, with that being said, you will see that they did utilize the space very well for a single family home. I'm used to seeing 800, 900 square foot single family homes in Kailua when they built them back in the 40s and 50s, but this is Gen Z style, where you can see that they actually utilize the space really well, not only downstairs, but also upstairs, where you've got your kitchen area, everything updated to the nines, as well as a living space, and then your guest bathroom in the back. Moving on upstairs, this is gonna be where the bedrooms are located. Another convenient part of living in a single family home is having your own in-unit washer and dryer, ladies and gentlemen. You got a full-size in-unit washer and dryer, and it's upstairs, which is really convenient. Sometimes they put it downstairs, or if you're in your bedrooms, your clothes just go right here. So it's really, really nice. And then of course you've got your guest bedroom and then your primary right behind you. Oh, very spacious in this living room for 880 square feet. Well, let's talk brass tacks, guys. How do you get your hands on one of these homes? What are the prices, HOAs? Let's talk it all. So when it comes to prices for these homes, this 2 bedroom, 2 bath is going for just over about 709,000. Additionally, if you want to actually get one, they used to do lottery, but right now it's first come, first serve. So you can actually check out this video right here, or maybe I'll show a photo where I actually camped out for one of my clients to get them a property just like this, because you need to be first in line, and that can be difficult. So you wanna make sure you work with somebody. Again, got my contact information if you want me to camp out for you to get one of these homes. With that being said, what is the HOA? That's one of the benefits of owning a single family home. The HOA usually doesn't exist, or it's extremely low. But these ones, they're about 70 bucks. Yeah, $70 a month for the HOA. Now that's gonna cover basically the common amenities around, probably just some light landscaping. Not gonna cover much, but much better than a $600, $1,200, or $1,500 HOA. So that's a huge benefit. Another thing we want to definitely mention is that if you use the in-house lenders at D.R. Horton, I've used them many, many a times, they're offering some great rates. So it can be a little competitive and difficult to buy a home right now with the rates being a little bit higher than what we're used to. But if you use their in-house lender, they're offering upwards of $499 for VA loans, and for conventional, $5.5, which can save you hundreds of thousands of dollars a month. So feel free to reach out to me if you want to get linked up with them or learn more about this project or any project in Ho'opili. With that being said, I'm Patrick with PatrickLongleyRealty.com, powered by eXp Realty. Hope you have a beautiful day. I'll talk to you soon. Aloha.